Hi, this is Roberto, and I'm trying to teach you. I'm trying to teach you physics. Um, I don't know if you know that these videos are designed to put myself to my limits, beyond my limits. Because when I record this, usually I'm very tired. Some days even I have a headache, and like today. But yeah, that's what I'm supposed to do. To overcome my stress. Today I finished, ironically, I finished my English lectures for this year. So I won't have until next September. No wonder why. So I only teach in English September and October. Yeah. And well, anyway, this experiment is better when somebody helps you, but this is not going to be the case. This is not my normal face, I'm usually more handsome. So, this experiment was carried out centuries ago. I think it was 1600s. And first we'll do, with somebody is better, but anyway. You see these two spheres? Maybe you can think of something to show you. See these two spheres? How can I do it? I'll try it. So, so I can keep one with the other, right? Yeah, but I can. How? Sometimes I do it in the class, and the person that is not able to see what I'm doing with the spheres, okay? But you're going to see. What I'm going to do is with this pump, hand pump, I'm going to reduce the pressure inside. So these vacuum pumps are based on Bernoulli's equation. You didn't see it. So it increases the velocity, so pressure decreases. So we are able to make the vacuum. Okay. So Bernoulli's equation, we didn't see it yet, but anyway. So for us then is a regular vacuum pump. Okay, similar to a vacuum cleaner, but better. So I'm making the vacuum. Come on, do it again. I'm in the right direction. I have to push harder. So let's start again. I think the manometer, at least the needle, is broken. But still, curiously enough, it doesn't fall. So let me continue with the vacuum. Okay. Since the needle is broken, I don't know. I continue until it's too difficult, okay? And what I have, so I'm just getting the air out, and I'm pushing it, I don't know, maybe over here. So what happens? I can't do it anymore. I have to close the valve, so I can remove the tube. Yeah, you hear that? So now if I try to pull it apart, I just can't. Let me get something heavy. It's quite heavy. Weigh at least 1 kilo. I put something. Yeah. So remember that it fell apart. So now I can hold some weight. So I'm going to do something so you see how at some point you help you understand. So why is now able to withstand, to hold this weight? Because I made the vacuum with a pump. So when I get the air out, you know what happened? The atmosphere exerts all its pressure over it. The atmospheric pressure, we are very similar to the ground level here in Valencia. It doesn't seem like heavy or anything, but the pressure that the atmospheric exerts is at about 1 kilo per square centimeter, like having 1 kilo in your finger. So it's, like you hold it for a time. Yeah, but how come we don't notice it? Because I live here for most of my life. So yeah. So let's see if I can. You see, I can't speak. So, but anyway, I won't complain. I open the valve, and you're going to see how something happens when the pressure decreases, and at some point the pressure inside and outside is the same. So far the pressure inside is smaller, much smaller than the pressure outside. The atmosphere tries to get in and it presses the two spheres, and they seem like they are glued together. But if I open the valve and leave the air enter inside, see what happens. Listen. Air is escaping and it falls, because at some point the pressure inside and outside is the same, so it doesn't hold. You're familiar with this effect. This is I don't remember. Every year I think, oh, I'm going to find it. I don't know where my mobile phone is. Okay, so what I tell to my students is that when you what is that? Where is this screw in here? It fell. Oh, come on. That's not my fault. I didn't break it, or I did. Well, when you don't know an English word and you know the French word, so you can say it in French. English speakers will never know if they are cultured enough. So call it a ventouse. I don't even know if that is the real French word. I think it's ventouse, but I'm not sure. Maybe it's the Spanish. How do you say Frenchy? We have a verb. You'll have to wait. I have to get my precision screwdriver.